everyone, and welcome back or welcome to my channel. I am Yoshida and this is Nora's Cove. If you're new to my channel or you're coming over from my beauty channel, this channel is basically dedicated to planning videos, budgeting videos, and DIY like paper crafts, DIYs, things like that. So let's get started. So today I'm introducing a new planner into my planners. When I first got back into planning, I just said I only wanted one planner. Oh, y'all, excuse my nails. I was supposed to did them before I did my videos, but I'm just trying to get my videos together. Anyway, I was supposed to only be doing one planner to see how I like it. The one planner is working fine for me. I'm actually ready to kind of upgrade from that planner, which is the Michaels Recollections A5. So I've had this one the same amount of time I've had the one from Michaels. I actually got it a little bit after it, and I really like this one because it's not leather. I don't know exactly what it is. It's by Kaisercraft. There's some stuff on the back. It's by Kaisercraft. I think it came from Marshalls. Yeah, it came from Marshalls. It has a pocket. Oh, I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. But the thing is, it only has like 4 rings. So in the meantime, until I decide on what I'm going to do, and I write in here sometimes, like this was from January to-do list, when I was deciding on which planner I was going to actually carry as my everyday planner. But this will be for home. This was going to be for, let me zoom out. I am out. This is going to be just basically solely for my social media. I realized last week I needed a social media calendar planner because things were just running together in my other planner and it was just becoming too junky. I couldn't see through what I needed to see through. So at any rate, when I was deciding on which planners I was going to use, I had already did this layout here. I don't know why this got short. I did this layout here. Now I could start this week with this layout, but I wanted to decorate. I was actually practicing horizontal, and I want to try something different since now I have more stickers and things like that. So this is going to be for the week of the 11th through the 17th. I have my sticker books here off to the side. I do have a kit that I purchased from Etsy, but I'm not going to use that in this because this one is just supposed to be kind of functional. And basically, I don't know what I want to do. So y'all just kind of go along with me as I figure out exactly what it is that I want to do. I'm also working with a new lighting situation, so we'll see how that goes. I just filmed a video with this lighting situation, and I don't know if I care for it yet, but I will be able to see it better once it is up on video. So let's get started. Again, this is going to be for my social media. Mainly I need to be functional, things like that. And I can see I'm probably going to go into some pinks and some golds and kind of have it. Now this is my regular everyday carry. I just did a video on this, so I may have it kind of coordinate. I'm not sure yet. But so let's get started. so I'm done. I think it's probably maybe one of the quickest. Anytime I use the Happy Planner sticker books, I'm generally done. I don't overdo it, and I kind of like that. And for this particular planner, I need it to be very functional for me. So I was looking for a lot of functional stickers because I have a lot of things to write in, like what day I'm going to upload, what I'm doing, what I'm planning, which day needs to be an edit day, which day needs to be an upload day. So that's the reason for the flags. And I'm hoping I don't throw someone's anxiety off with all the crooked stickers because, y'all, I'm still new. So anyway, I decided to do in the horizontal, and I'm thinking I'm liking the horizontal because it seems like I have more room for some reason, but I just thought I would have more room in the vertical, but I kind of like the horizontal. So I'm gonna go in and do after the pen and finish it up. And if you have any questions on, again, what kind of planner this is, I do not know. I got it from Marshalls, or it came from Marshalls last year. That's all that I know. But as far as the pages, I'm sure you can find some downloadable printables as far as horizontals. I wasn't going to try to print any off for this particular planner. I'm just, because it is to just be functional for my social media, for like what days I'm going to put things in my store, what things I'm going to post on my Facebook store page, all that good stuff. Now with 2 YouTube accounts, I need a plan. So this seems like it's going to work pretty well, so I can't wait to fill it in. I do have a rough draft of what I wrote down of the days that I'm going to upload, the days I'm going to film, what I'm going to film. I have a list of videos that I want to do, so I'm going to start going off of that list and fill them in here, and that way I'll have some type of schedule and functionality. I'm really trying to get on the ball. Again, I am new to this planning, but I'm trying to get better, and I think that I got a little system now, I hope. Okay, I will talk to you all soon. Bye.